on my body. I got niggas on my body. On my body. I got niggas on my body. I got niggas on my body. Got the juice like I'm Yo Gotti. Scotty too hottie like Migos. Got the thotty.
Hey guys, welcome back to the sweet life of me. So I'm here with my friend. Say hi. It's Octavia. So guys, I'm so excited. Today's vlog, we're about to go motorcycle riding. And where are we going? Like the city? Yeah, like over there. So we're gonna be fake for going deep. Like, I live in Queens and the city is like 30 minutes away. I've been on a dirt bike before, but not a motorcycle. She's been on a motorcycle and it's different, so I'm mad excited. So okay,
it's still scary.
Yeah, it's scary, but I like the rush, so I'm excited. Like, I'm just excited. So we about to go. We're gonna go by the water. It's gonna be a vibe, like, you know, chill, food, all that. So I'm gonna try my best to see if I can record a little bit of me on the motorcycle. Now, y'all, I'm not gonna promise you. All right, okay, guys. So we're here. We got our helmets because, you know, safety first. Safety first. Always. Your helmet is cute as fuck.
Thank you. Yeah.
I mean, cute as hell. You can't curse. All right, y'all. Look at the bike. I'm excited.
Oh wait, so that other one open.
It's what is it? All right, so it's two bikes. It's that one and then this one.
That's the one you're.
This is okay. So this is my bike. This bike is nice. I like this bike. I like the red. This is cute. So yeah, we on the block, y'all. How do you feel? Are you excited? You've been doing
I'm always
this.
Scared.
Really?
Always.
You scared?
Yeah.
This
It's
like
a lot.
how long? Like this? How many times did you go on a bike?
Like 2 or 3 times.
She's a pro.
No, I'm not. I
should not
still
be
be
scared.
scared.
Really?
It's scary.
I am mad excited.
I
Like,
know you can handle it, but you know I'm always scared.
yeah, y'all. I love a good adrenaline rush. Damn, I wish we rolled up.
No, yeah, we are.
Like, you think we got time?
Yeah.
Right now?
Yeah.
Okay, so we about to do that. And I'm gonna see y'all. I'm gonna really try to get footage on the bike. So later, y'all. Alright, y'all. I look crazy with this helmet, but
Yeah, I look crazy.
Mad cute.
Thank you.
But alright, we about to go soon.
Peace out.
Yeah, I'm gonna show y'all. Well, we'll see y'all when we get there.
Yes.
Y'all. No, I really do look crazy with this helmet.
look crazy.
This is, yeah, but it's cute though. I just look crazy.
I look crazy. Let me get this down.
Alright, y'all. So we'll see y'all when we get there. Later. I don't know what I look like right now, but we made it. So nice. I know the view is beautiful. I'm gonna definitely get footage on the way back because that wasn't bad. I could definitely take my heads off. Alright, y'all. vegetarian spot or vegan, whatever it is. And this is my first time trying it. Hold on, wait, I can see. This is my first time trying it, so it's like, I don't know what to get, but we're gonna see. Take this off. Probably look like a fucking bitch. Huh? Guys, a horse. No funny shit. I cannot make this up. He's on a horse. This vlog is gonna be so fucking funny. A horse. A horse. So she's the pro at this, and she says what?
It's cauliflower. Usually it's seed time.
Oh, sheesh.
Okay, so we can get the chicken nuggets and put sauce on it.
Period. Alright.
Where you Yeah.
This is like my first time doing everything video.
Ooh, they got Chipotle mayo.
Yeah,
you know that's crazy.
yeah. Where are we at? What's the name of this one?
Mother. What's the name of this mother?
Mother Vegan in the city. Mother. Alright, so the Nashville. Oh my gosh. No, this is my first time.
My best friend is not vegan, Jamaican, and this is what he gets when he comes Lakeland. I recommend it.
Okay.
You want French fries or anything?
Yeah.
French fries?
Yeah.
Tater tots, 2 and 50 tater tots.
I'll do tater tots. Actually, no, I'll do french fries. Just regular french fries with the Chipotle mayo. And can I get Chipotle mayo on the side? Okay. Thank you. Yeah, lemonade.
Just a regular lemonade?
Yeah. The Nashville hot chicken.
How'd you get Chipotle mayo on the side?
For the fries.
Oh yeah.
Thank you. I'm excited. This is gonna be good.
What's the name for the other burger?
I feel good about this.
Pork.
What if I turn vegan after this? What if?
Nah, you that I would hope.
Okay, so let's look at the menu, guys. So they have good prices, everything vegan. I'll let y'all know how it is. There was something coming out the garbage can, y'all. And we looked.
Yo, what's good, y'all?
We're in the city, right? I did too.
Yo, what y'all eating?
Surprised us. I'm still gonna eat the food. I'm not gonna hold you, but I'm pretty sure it's not inside. It's the city. There's rats everywhere. It's disgusting. So we moving, cause no. Oh, is this us? Guys! Oh, it's heavy, but this is it! It's so heavy. Alright, y'all, where we at?
This is not it.
Yeah, like, we gotta be somewhere. Right here. This is nice.
Yo, don't chill, bro.
Okay, and I'll be back. Ready? They said this is the best thing on the menu. Vegan. Look at it. Okay. I think I'm gonna take the pickles out. She said, you sure that's vegan?
Yeah.
I'm gonna take the pickles out, but this looks amazing.
Over here.
Ooh, just don't be too close. Alright, y'all. I'm so excited.
vegan lifestyle.
Right?
Let's see. Ooh, that looks
That
good.
looks good. All right.
Ooh, that
He needs some milk.
What's the reviews? What's the reviews?
So, I need another thing. Hold on. You know?
Right. Gotta make sure real quick.
See what I'm really getting. Look at the inside too. Like,
Wow, nah, that's giving.
it gives chicken.
Yeah.
Okay. He needs some milk.
Whoa. Okay, second. What's the second review of the second bite?
It's really good. Like,
Wow. You, Jackie, you could do the vegan food?
I can eat this for sure.
Okay.
The only difference, you know, with chicken just has that juicy.
Yeah, I know what you mean.
Yeah.
But that's why it's healthier.
But
so
it's
not
good.
gonna. Right.
But it's good. Like, I could do this.
Okay, good.
It's good. Like, I'll definitely, like, you know, I'm not opposed to this. Dalmatian. What is the statistic on seeing a Dalmatian or some shit like that? Right. It's very rare. Guys, a Dalmatian person.
Yeah, that one.
No Corella.
That's a cute one.
They be cute.
That's a cute one.
At the park.
Oh, look at the cutie.
They be cute.
Nah, if Andre's version was smaller, it would be well. He just got too big. You know what I'm saying? I hate that. You need extra.
Guys. What is it? Underwear and socks? Weird shit.